Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how our system works. So first of all, we are going to select a product on ClickBank affiliate marketplace. Again, it's based on your interest what you select. So just to give you an example, I have selected a product here which is the 2-week diet plan. And based on this product, we will find a YouTube video. So let's jump onto YouTube now. Here you can see by selecting a different keywords, you can find a number of videos. So once you have the product in your hand and also the video, you can make a combination of these two by directing the YouTube traffic to your offer and generate commissions. Now let me tell you one thing here. YouTube is a big marketplace. So you can have tens and thousands of videos. The more videos you have, the more viewers you have, and the better are the chances you have to make more commissions. So that's how this system works. And in the later videos, I will explain you step by step how you can do that by giving you a live demo. So this is just a short video to give you a brief introduction how our system works, and I'll see you in the next video.